Hi ladies, Nancy Alexander here. Liz Harbert had a few questions about her video, and these are questions that I need to show you instead of answer. So I'm just recording my screen. I've got Liz Harbert's video up here. Now Liz, you did an excellent job. It's really, really good. One thing I would recommend is that you turn your phone horizontally rather than vertical. You see above your head you've got a lot of extra space, and if your phone is horizontal it won't be cutting it off on the sides. So that's something I think that's pretty important that you need to do. And you had a question about putting photos in front of and behind your video. Well, I use a program called Camtasia, and to me it was really hard to learn, but I wanted to use it so badly, and it's fairly expensive. But if I have a video in Camtasia right now, and if I want to put a still photo in front of it, all I do is slide this line over at the bottom, and let's see, I'm just going to import a photo. So let me find one real quick. So I'm going to find a photo that I can just stick in there just to show you how I do it. Let's see. Should have had it pulled up, shouldn't I? I don't guess it matters which photo I use, does it? Because this is just an example. Alright, I'm just going to pick one of these photos just for the heck of it, so I don't have to spend a lot of time searching. And it adds it up here for me, and I can drag that right down in front of my video and just slide it over. And it's even a small size, it's not even the right size. But then when I start playing my video, I have an image at the beginning, and then I can put something at the end if I want to. Okay, something just froze up.
Hello,
there it is.
I'm Nancy.
Anyway, and using Camtasia, you can also add text over it. So this is what I do when I'm this is the way I edit and process all my videos. So if you happen to have this program, it's neat, it's fun to use once you get started using it, and you would love it. And it just has the text over it, and I can spread out this little bar that's in track 2, and however far I spread it out is how long that text will stay on my video. But that's only if you have Camtasia, and if you don't, I wouldn't bother getting it just yet. I wanted it for a long time before I ever purchased it. I think it was about $300. But then it took me about 3 years to learn it. It's not very user-friendly. Okay, so let's just go to YouTube, and I'll show you what you can do there to add an image at the beginning. Now you have to set up your own channel with your name, and that's pretty self-explanatory when you go to YouTube. This is my channel, and I put a header up there and a photo of me, and I've got different types of videos. I've kind of got them into different classifications, but if you have a video that you want to upload, you click on this arrow that's pointing up over. I don't know why that mouse is shaking. My hand's not shaking like that, I promise. Click on that arrow that's pointing up, the upload arrow, and this pops open, and you can just open if you have a video, you can just open that and drag it right into it, and it'll upload. But that was not a video, that was just a still photo, so I'm going back out of that. So let me open one of my videos, and I'll show you how you can put a still picture at the beginning. Now, there's no way to put one at the end in YouTube. Let's just say this video right here. When your video is loaded into YouTube, it chooses 3 different photos throughout your video that will be, you can choose from those for that to be what people see before they click play. But if you don't like any of those, all you have to do right here is click custom thumbnail, and you can go to your computer, to your photos, and you can put whatever kind of photo in there you want. I'm just picking random stuff today, so you don't have to watch me go through all my files, and it wouldn't be quickly. I've got too many things filed. So then I would just click on this one where it says change image. I would click on this, and this would be the image that people would see before my video starts playing. But that's not the one I want them to see. I still want them to see the one it was set on. So I'm not going to even save those changes. But that is the way that you can put some kind of photo or some kind of image. You can even do something in Canva or PicMonkey. You can do something with a logo. It doesn't have to just be a photo. Or you can put a photo in Canva and put some text over it. You've got a lot of options there. So I think that is all that you had a question about. So I hope that helps. Oh, one other thing I meant to show you. This video, when you click to play it,
the next thing you want to do
is going to open in this screen. I want you to look at this arrow up here and the 3 little dots. When you click on those 3 little dots, I can't do it because I did not load this video. I didn't put this video on YouTube, on Facebook. But you can. There would be something right here that says download. So you would download that video and save it to your computer, and then that's the video that you load into YouTube. Now, there's something else neat that you can do. Once you've got it on YouTube and you've got it playing now on your Facebook page, you can also go back to the top and where it says photo or video, you can load that. I mean, do it from your page. I'm in the inner circle right now. But you can load that video. Once you've already saved it to your computer, you can load it into Facebook, and it's going to act differently in Facebook as it did when you were first doing the Facebook Live. Now it's going to be a video that plays from Facebook, and you can run an ad on it. That's what's called repurposing your videos. And I've gotten a lot of interaction and a lot of likes and a lot of people coming to my page because any of my Facebook Live videos, I always click the 3 little dots at the top and I save them to my computer, and then I'll load them back into Facebook a lot of the time, and then I'll load them into YouTube. So I hope that helps. Hope it wasn't too confusing. And one other thing that someone asked me this morning, and I tried to explain it. I just want to go over it quickly. You were asking how to invite people to like your page. Okay, so let's say that, see, these are videos I have loaded into Facebook right here. They're not ones that are just playing from a link or that I did Facebook Live. All right, this one, let's see. I'm looking for some likes. Some of them have a lot. Some of them have a few. All right, this has 26 likes. You click on the number 26. I don't know why this mouse is doing that. Now, this is the pop-up that I was telling you about this morning, where if you see the word invite, you can invite that person to like your page. Here's another one. I'm just going to click on that. Then, I don't know why it didn't go away. And then they are sent some kind of a notice or an email from Facebook that you've been invited to like their page. Let me see if there's another one or two. I'm looking for one with a bunch of likes. All right, this one has 167 likes. All right, here's one. I just go through every now and then, click invite. A lot of these people have already liked my page, but the ones that haven't, I'm inviting them to like my page. Then you can click see more and keep on going. It took me a while to find that too. Bernita started using it before I ever found it. Okay. That's it. I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.